All right, I will be the first to admit I can be a little vain about my body. And I will also admit that my midsection is spreading in middle age. So I am incredibly interested in learning more about body contouring and fat transfer, especially from one of the Suncoast's most sought-after surgeons. We welcome Dr. Monik Beatty from Tampa Surgical Arts. Thank you for joining us, Doctor.
Thank you for allowing me to be here.
Yes, all right, so this is a topic I have been obsessed with since I really got into my 40s. Let's talk about fat transfer. What exactly is it? We all think we know what it is, but explain to us.
So what is fat transfer? So fat transfer is taking fat from parts of the body that we don't want, such as the abdomen, the flanks, the lower back area, and then we take that fat, we harvest it, we purify it, and then we transfer it to areas you do want. So most commonly, the buttocks on women, which is the BBL, Brazilian butt lift, or other parts of the body, such as on guys, the chest and the deltoid area.
All right, now is this kind of reshaping permanent, or how long do the results typically last?
So typically the results for fat transfer will last for years, as long as you're maintaining a healthy lifestyle.
Okay, all right, well, that I can do. That I can do. Now, I really can't wait to show everybody your amazing befores and afters. And because it's me, let's start. I'm the one that's jealous. Let's start with the male midsection. Show us, this is the before.
Yes.
And talk a little bit about what you did. Now look at that after.
Yeah, awesome.
Wow.
So this guy, he's a local. He works for the state. He was a former athlete.
Okay.
And he came to see us because he really wanted to have that defined look in his abdomen area and his chest and his delts that he once had. So we did full body contouring.
And it looks like he's in decent shape, but like myself, he's carrying a lot around the middle in this before.
Yep.
And then you were able to almost sculpt abs.
Yeah, so it's super active guy. So we sculpted his abs, and then we harvested that fat, we purified it, and we transferred it to his upper chest and his deltoid area to give him a really natural and balanced appearance.
Now, my concern would have been before talking to you that, oh, if I move the fat up to my up chest, that I would end up looking flabby, or they call like man boobs.
Yeah.
But that's not the case at all.
Yeah, so for this guy, as you continue to work out, these afters are seen about 1 year out. So as you can see, as you continue to work out, it just looks better over time.
What type of reshaping are guys typically looking for? What are you seeing?
The most common trends we're seeing is guys as far as reshaping. Number one, everyone wants the abs. They want defined abs, and at the same time in one procedure, they want to define their chest and their deltoid area as well.
We all want that V shape.
Yes, the V cut, super popular.
All right, well, let's talk, of course, about the ladies. I know that many celebrities, I've been reading, are removing their breast implants in favor of the option of fat transfer. So let's look at some of the examples of some of your female patients.
Yeah, so this woman, she came to see us from the Midwest, so she traveled out of state to see us. She had body contouring elsewhere, so she wanted to reshape and balance her body.
Okay.
So we did full body contouring on her.
Wow.
We defined her abs, and we did fat transfer to the buttock area, so a Brazilian butt lift on her.
That is incredible. That before and after is incredible. And how many procedures does it typically take?
This woman had everything done in one procedure by us, and in the after photo, she's about 1 year out.
Wow, that is incredible. Let's look at some other examples here, because the befores and afters really speak for themselves.
Yeah.
A lot of downtime as well?
The typical downtime is about 2 weeks of social downtime,
Wow. And
most clients are starting to see some results at the 2-month mark, with the final result close to about a year.
So it does not have to halt your life. That's an easy price to pay for this. Now talk about this patient a little bit.
So this is a local woman. She came to see us. She was 9 months out after her first child. She wanted to restore balance to her lower abdomen area, and she wanted more volume in her buttocks for a natural appearance. So we did full body contouring her, we sculpted her abs, and we did fat transfer to her buttock area, BBL, with all hidden entry points to keep it very discreet.
Wow. What types of, we talked about trends for the guys, what types of reshaping trends are most of the ladies asking for?
So the most common trends we're seeing in women is they want a natural appearance, so they want their body to be balanced, so the buttocks to match the midsection and the abdomen area.
I feel like in this day and age, none of us really want to look like, especially if we're doing hard work elsewhere, but we're just fighting our own body genetics, we don't want to look like we've had a huge procedure. And one thing I've noticed from all of those after photos is that they look like regular people. They're just in better shape, you know, that they have a nice shape to their bodies. How important is that, or how can you help us as we come to you as new patients? Like what types of lifestyle things should we be prepared for?
So the most common reason that clients are seeing us is they want to have that hidden, discreet look, and they're otherwise living healthy lifestyles, and they just have stubborn areas of fat, such as in lower abdomen area, so we help them achieve that goal, and they just continue to maintain their healthy lifestyle afterwards.
Wow, well, the work speaks for itself. Thank you for sharing more information about this procedure.
All right, for more information about that amazing body sculpting and fat transfer, you can go to Tampa Surgical Arts.